So we just finished up backtesting of March. Now I did a little bit of my trading journal, a little bit more from the trade the other day. Let's keep that the same. This is all my rules and everything. Work ons, process, take profit, pairs. I should read this more. I forgot to read this week. It's been like 2 weeks since I've been trading. Wonder if I could add one more to one of these. No. Need. Just gonna write all this out. These are the rules for me as well. Need to confirm conditions before entering. Must align high time frame DOL with low time frame. Holy shit. Bro, I'm fucking up my eyes. These conditions. These are my rules, basically. High resistance, stop loss, low resistance, take profit, no pattern trading. Need to confirm conditions before entering. Must align high time frame structure. Must take high time frame IFVG. Alright, then, yeah, we have the gallery. So far, we've only taken 2 trades on this puppy. I think 1 or 2. And then we have this third one. This was from yesterday, which I already made a video on this. If you watched it, that was the trade that we took. So that was really it for me. Did not trade today, but we did reject lower. We have dumped off, so I can get rid of some of this stuff. I will not be trading tomorrow, so that's for sure. So we're going to do some more backtesting tomorrow. I low-key shouldn't be backtesting today, even more, because I've already done a bit, but I want to just maybe do just like a 30-minute session. Overall, 32 trades taken. We have up to a 60% win rate, basically. We can go right into it. We're going right into the next month. For the 1 hour. Right in the next month, we're coming right into market open. We, on the 4 hour, coming to this 4 hour gap, we filled it quite a bit. We have 4 hour sell side resting lower. I'm going to mark up all these draws that we have resting lower because they could be of importance if we do want to draw down to these. I'm just already getting eye strain looking at this screen, bro. Dude, I have such an issue with like liking chart colors. Like, this is clean. It's nice. It looks nice when you enter. Like, I don't know why I have to have an issue with shit. I think it's clean overall. I think I should just stick with it. Yeah, I'm going to stick with it. I understand it well, and if that's really what matters. So we can go down. We look like we're going to inverse this 4 hour most likely. We're filled to CE of it. We're just sitting inside of it, consolidating. We're respecting this 4 hour gap, which tells me, hey, we might want to deliver lower. We have a 4 hour gap resting up above us, right up here. On the daily, do we have anything on the daily to look at coming into the new month? We just came down into a daily gap here. We might not want to deliver lower. Low key, one of my conditions will be this 4 hour, and if we inverse this, we're probably wanting to go higher. We have some sell side maybe we want to tap into. I'm getting the worst eye strain. I need to chill. This 2 hour doesn't get inversed either. Gonna look on the 1 hour. Well, actually, this will be considered sell side right here as well. We'll go to the 2 hour above. Nothing to really worry about. 15 minute. I'm getting rid of that 15 minute. I don't give a damn about that. Look at the 1 hour buy side liquidity that we just put in place. 1 hour buy side liquidity resting up here. But with us being inside this daily, I have a feeling we're going to want to rip higher here. Do we have news on this day? Non-farm. We have non-farm payroll. Is this a Friday? It is. We have news at 9 that might want to do something for us. So we're going to let market open up. News already came out. Non-farm payroll already came out. Expecting Chaba. We have high impact news at 9. We're going to wait. Coming into market open. News hasn't come out yet. Alright. Where are we on the 30 minute right now? Oh, we just came into a 30 minute gap. Lawns could be pulling up here. We'll see what news wants to do. It is non-farm payroll. 30 minute. But yeah, over the last up to 30 trades now, we've had a 60% win rate. It was looking around the same the last 40 trades on the last session, so ideally once we get to 100, 200 plus, that can get up to a 70% win rate. So we're tapping into this 30 minute, we tap it into a 1 hour resting below here, tap it into a 1 hour as well. Now the 4 hours looking like this is going to get respected and this is going to get inversed, but we're looking at the higher time frame. For these two 30 minutes, we have a 1 hour in here as well. Wanted to really see if these want to get respected. And if they do, could be looking for some long potential here. Accumulation, manipulation, or distribution, or, I mean, shit. We're distributing now. Generated some low resistance. Do we have any unfilled 5 minute? No. Any unfilled 15 minute? No, not yet. Looks like we're going to respect this. We're displacing lower. We got news coming out in the next candle. All right, news came out. Looks like this 1 hour just got respected. Might want to come lower. It did hit CE of the 1 hour. The 4 hour got inversed up here. Well, this got respected. This got inversed. I'm really looking off of this 1 hour in the 15 minute. There is now a 15 minute gap resting all the way up here. We might want to go out and get. I'm going to get rid of this sell side. Just focus over here. We have a 15 minute gap here. I'm looking for low resistance to target. We have a 5 minute gap that opened up. We got some good manipulation. Fucking A, we're going to be playing into a 15 minute, damn it. This would not be bad. Target low resistance resting above. Go break even up at this high. Yeah. Say we go break even up at this high up here. So that's coming right into this 15 minute. Looks like the 15 minute got respected as well. Get a clean 5 minute inversion. Why you gotta fucking do that to me? I'll be targeting up to this buy side. Back into the 4 hour. I don't like going break even at that now. I mean, shit. Order execute. Market order. Risk 1%. Now let's read this over. This would be what we would call reversal. We're not targeting any unfilled 5 minutes. We are targeting 15 minute up here. There's an unfilled 15 minute here that we're going to be playing into. Want to see how we want to react off of that. We're getting clean displacement lower. We did come into that daily, remember. The 4 hour got inversed, but this 1 hour got respected. Maybe we want to return to this 30 minute. But I feel like that's all we really need for this push. There's a 15 minute high up here, which could be considered protected, but maybe that's an important draw we want to go for. We just got a clean inversion on the 5 minute, 1, 2, 3 candles to inverse on this 5 minute. All right, let's read through the sheet. This would be, so we were looking for a reversal. Coming into the day 2 on the 30 minute. Consolidation, manipulation. Yeah. we'll order to execute this. Targeting some low resistance, resting above, right? We manipulated, we made high resistance at that. Oh, fuck me. Holy shit. Kind of consolidating. Coming into this 15-minute gap. Fuck me. Because it respected that 15-minute gap. It should have gone break even there. We're not starting off this month nice. Alright, we're going to get rid of this. Get rid of this. Wanted to go for that 30-minute, I bet. And I think it's either going to go for those lows or it's going to jump up higher to these draws. Nope, it just manipulated to then go higher. Alright, well, we're into the next day. We have nothing of significance. What is that? Oh, this is no news Monday. Is because maybe that's because of the NFP. Wow, that just ripped higher. That's fucking crazy. Who knows if there's even a continuation and then on that. So obviously we're looking bullish now. We were acting off that daily. So I thought that lawn was going to work as well. We had this 30-minute we left down below. We're going to go to the 4-hour because we just inversed this 4-hour. So we're looking bullish, right? We swept up these draws, this high. We swept up that high. We have a 4-hour gap that's untapped, resting below. I like that last trade too. This 4 hours looking like it's going to give an inversion with a 4-hour gap here. I like that last trade as well. Clean 5-minute inversion. Target some low resistance, and it just respected that 15-minute, which definitely should have been a break even for me. And what we noticed too on that trade is that 15-minute, if I would have gone break even there, it just would have been a risk-free trade, but that's just poor management on my end. I'm going to restart the whole data sample now. No. Kind of want to, though. I have the urge. So we've soaked out that high. We have a new high here. We're delivering from buy-side liquidity, so we're pushing lower. It's 2 hours looking like it's going to get inversed. We have a 2-hour gap resting lower here. 1 hour, I mean, we were breaking structure lower right now. We respected this 1-hour gap, and we rejected off of that. So, looking bearish right now. Well, we got news on the day. PMI at 9. I mean, yeah, PMI at 9. We don't have a daily here yet. As of right now, though, we have this 4-hour. It looks like we might want to target this 1 hour we're respecting. That's really it. We have buy-side liquidity resting above here. We're going to the 15-minute. 15 minutes kind of what? What does the 15-minute tell me? We're pushing lower. We're generating buy-side resting above. We're going to wait for market to open. Wait for that news to come out. Alright. News came out. This 1 hour gets respected. We tap into this 4 hour. Completely fill it. Do we want to come lower for anything resting beneath us? This 1 hour gets respected. Okay. Those are my conditions. This 30-minute, we have nothing above us. No 15 minutes above us. No really low resistance here. Respected. Nothing really. Nothing unfilled on the 5-minute. We get a clean 5-minute inversion. Should actually be quite nice of a trade. Manipulated into here, into this 4 hour. Looks like we're respecting it. We might want to come and rebalance. Five minutes got some low resistance. That 1 minute's got some low resistance. We get a clean 5-minute inversion. No. Holy fuck. That's why you don't enter on that. Wanted to enter on the highest time frame inversion. We're now pushing lower. Now we could look for maybe something here. Because this 4 hour, we're tapping into this 4 hour. We're now tapping into 15-minute rest in here. This 15-minute gets inverse, we're tapping into this 15-minute. We got this huge unfilled 5-minute. Could take that, but we're playing into a 5-minute then. I don't like that at all. So the 30-minute getting respected. We're inside the 15-minute. We're inside a 30-minute. We did get sponsored by this 1 hour coming into the day. We did just inverse this 4 hour, maybe. Do we want to come back for these lows all the way? See how this 15-minute wants to react. I think if we were to look for anything, it'd be a continuation, which we don't get. Now this is late as shit in the day. Just target the unfilled 5-minute. I mean, shit, the 15-minute candle closed, respecting. 30-minute looks like it might respect. 4 hour, we could get some crazy bounce off this 4 hour now. Unfilled 15-minute resting above. It's late as shit in the day. Might want to go for this low resistance that we have resting above us. I'll just rest in here. We had a clean 5-minute inversion late in the day, but we're going to market order it. We're going to go break even. Will I be break even now? Are you fucking for real? Are you for real? Are you for real? Tapping the 15-minute, we wouldn't even have a 1-to-1 at that. Are we fucking for real? We get a break even off of that? Already this month's not going well for me. Yeah, thank God that was a good break even. It's a great break even. We have just ripped so much lower at this point. Oh, it's 1:17. Shit. This video's 17 minutes long. I'll be able to leave soon. We have a 4 hour gap right here. I'm excited for this weekend because I get to backtest. I'm going to do at least this weekend like a month, 2 months of backtesting, ideally 3. And then get some of my homework done. There might be a little longer backtesting sessions if I'm taking pictures to like journal everything that happened. But that's what I plan on doing. 4 hour inversion. 4 hour inversion. Left 4 hour buy side, resting above. Coming into this 4 hour gap, I think this is a low that we do want to go and get. We have lows down here, which this manipulated, I would consider this probably high resistance. Resting sell side. And we go to the 2 hour. We have a 2 hour gap, resting right here. Another 2 hour gap, resting right here. Two hours resting above us. This 2 hour gap inside of here. Don't think we want to leave relative equal lows unless there's an SMT. Now we can mark up some of the buy side liquidity that we have above. Thinking we go buy side here. Low key, really considering it. We're going to have to see off this 1 hour, see how we react off this 1 hour. We have another 1 hour resting right above it. We could be going buy side. I don't know if we'll want to go for this low resting down here, but we'll see. Coming into the day, there's FOMC meeting minutes at 2, so it might just be a no trade day. We're consolidating right now, but we're going to be getting manipulation of some sort. Manipulation into that 15-minute. It's right off at market open. Go to distribute lower. It's beautiful AMD. It's beautiful AMD. Was there even an entry on that? Shit right there. That's beautiful AMD structure. or we're going to wait till the next. Alright, so 1 hour gets respected. We just swept sell side. We tapped into this 1 hour. Maybe expecting a continuation. Push higher into this 5 minute. We have 15-minute resting above. We have a 15-minute resting above the 5 minutes, giving that. Do you think we might want to go lower here? Are you rejecting off anything? No. I think we'll want to go to this low. Maybe we'd like to see the 5 minute come deeper into. Fuck, that just gave me a terrible entry. Four-minute gave the inversion. 5 minute respects. Not too late in the day. Order, market order, just 1%. Could get manipulated here. Dude, this month's fucking really pissing me off. Because now it's going to give. Okay. Well, this would be clear, and I'm going to take this. Based on that candle fucking close, bro. Are we for real? Just give me a terrible entry. I actually would take this. I don't give a damn, it's late in the day. Break even. Flush. Dude! One loss, one break even. It's so fucking annoying, bro. So you have 2 losses. I think 1 break even right now. This month is not going well for me. Dude, that low must be protected or some shit. And if we leave it behind, then I'm going to note that. Alright, we go and take it finally. Fucking A. That 15-minute. Should have known the 5-minute. I should have waited for the 15-minute to get retraced into. Why am I deleting that? Let's just go back. Alright, now we can get rid of this. Get rid of this. We did just sweep that. We left some more lows. Damn, that's annoying as shit. Alright, let's get rid of. I keep accidentally hitting that. 4-hour buy side resting above us up here. We have some sell side also resting here now. We completely filled in this 1 hour. The 2 hour looks like we're going to get a 2 hour inversion potentially. If we get the 2 hour inversion, most likely targeting lower. And we'll be inside this 1 hour. We have some sell side liquidity resting here. For the 1 hour. Nothing I'm really seeing. News on this day? No. It's a Thursday. We're going to wait for market to open up. Holy manipulation. Right out, that's kind of like a, what is that, a Judas move? Because we didn't sweep anything. We tap it into a 15-minute. We are. Creating some high resistance. So we're creating some high resistance right now. Looks like we're going to inverse this 15-minute, but this might get respected. Is there a 30-minute we're playing into? There's a 30-minute as well. Creating some high resistance. On the 2-hour, looks like we might respect it as well. And if we do, we want to go higher, I'm assuming. We're going to wait for this to open up. We're going to do one more. Oh, yeah. I have a feeling this 2-hour might get inversed. 15 minutes getting respected. 5-minute inversion is what we'd have to wait for. I mean, shit, I think that's a terrible entry, but yeah, that's fucking terrible. I hate that stop loss. But that's where price is going, is lower, I think. What time is it? 9:50. Whoa, wait a second. It's good we didn't take that Y. Looks like this 15-minute got respected. We're leaving that behind. This 2-hour looks like it's going to get respected as well. Yeah, this just is getting disrespected now. We need to see a pullback. Because up to this point now, the 2-hour has been inversed. I mean, completely respected. I think we're going higher. We need to see some type of pullback. We did touch into that 5-minute now. 2-hour got respected. Come into that 5-minute, 2 hours respected. Remember, targeting kind of high resistance. It's just manipulated higher. 30-minute gets inverse though. Is there a 1-minute inversion here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've gotten fucked on this before, but that 30 minutes got inverse, the 15 minutes getting inverse. We respected this 30-minute, we respected the 2-hour. I'm going to order execute this. Market order 1%. Dude, what a fucking month so far. We have, I think it's just on the first fucking week. Yeah, not good. 1 loss, 2 loss, 1 break even. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 losses, 1 win right now. Well, our longest loss streak is now 3. That's not what we want to see right now. Maybe I should have just gotten off. I've done a lot today. March has just not been treating me well, but we're still early into March. We're going to jump into the next day. I'm curious to see what happened with that 2-hour gap. So we respect that 2-hour. Where did that trade run to? Was this the 2-hour? Was this where I was trying to long? They got stopped? I'm trying to think. Oh, it'd be the 5-minute. Oh, yeah. So I take this. It runs. Manipulates. Yeah, I'm targeting high resistance. It was so fucking stupid. Because immediately, what does it do? It goes for the low resistance. Even with that 2-hour being respected. I think that's just on me in general. I think that was dumb as fuck. I kind of want to take back that trade. So that's a trade where I break my rules because I was targeting high resistance, and look what happens. Should have just been a no trade day. That's, I think, something I've been doing too, is forcing, because I'm taking quite a few trades, and already this month I've taken, what is it, 6? Really early in the month, definitely over trading. So we're going to be really patient with this, and ideally, I want to make a fucking comeback here. I mean, who knows? Like I said, probability will do its thing, but I feel like hurt myself with that because that broke my rules and I over traded there. We're going to go to the sell side. All right, we're going to go to the 4 hour. 1 hour's been filled so many times, I don't give a damn about it. This 2 hour got completely filled. We do have sell side liquidity resting here that we left behind. So that's interesting to me. Right now we came into this 4 hour. We respected it. We've been in this range. We're rejecting out this 4 hour. I don't think we want to come lower from here. The 2 hour. It look like we're going to inverse this 2 hour gap, which if we inverse this 2 hour gap, that's part of my condition is, hey, I think we're going to want to continue to go lower from here. We go to the 1 hour then too. 1 hour, we're playing into a 1 hour gap as well here, so we're going to see with what price wants to really give us. Is there news on this day? No, I don't see news. No news Friday. Alright, we're going to go right into market open. In the 5 minute, let market play out a little bit. Just a dump off right away. I wanted to see sell side. I'm assuming get taken. We're getting a 15-minute pullback at this point. 9:45. We're going to wait. Maybe you could have caught a continuation there. Now, at this point, it's 10. So we can go on here. This 2 hour got inversed. This 1 hour got inversed. This 2 hour got inversed. We swept out this sell side. I'm assuming we want to go for this next low, so I want to see a 5 minute pullback here. We do get a 5 minute pullback. A 15 minute. 15 minute isn't there. There's one up there. I'm going to wait for the 5 minute, which we get. Just need a 1 minute inversion. I actually like that because then we're playing into this 15 minute hopefully. We inverse this 5 minute. Could target the unfilled 15 minute. We're playing into any gaps on the 30 minute. If I did take this, not exactly a 1-to-1. I'd have to wait for a little bit of a pullback. This would be a MAC. We did inverse the 5 minute. We do have the 15 minute we could be coming into. 30 minute, not yet. It's 10:05. Wow. It even come. So this could either be, we could either be getting in for an entry here. Yeah, fuck, I just fucked that up. Watch this play out. We aren't coming in that 15 minutes, so there's nothing for a short here. I mean, shit. We did manipulate. It's not a fucking 1-to-1. That's for sure. Maybe we want to come into this 5 minute. I'll order execute. Because we did get that inversion. We go break even now. We're tapped into that 15 minute. All we need is a 1-to-1. We needed that. We needed that. That was a good trade. Does it run higher? It does. So we could have gotten a little bit better of an RR, but we just needed that 1-to-1. Man, has this been a rough month. We'll go to the next 1 hour. We'll jump to the next day, which will be, oh fuck, I did not mean to do that. Tell me I didn't just fuck that up. Alright, we're good. Coming to the next day. No news Monday. I'm going to skip past this. Jump to the next day. Just sold off a bunch. So now I can get rid of all this. What have we seen? We have ripped past sell side, we sub sell side, so that's what we're reacting off of right now. We have 1 hour buy side resting above. We have a 1 hour gap resting above as well. So that's intriguing. We just swept the buy side there. We have low resistance resting down here, and these lows that we left behind that were relative equal lows. We have sell side right here. Just a lot of low resistance resting lower right now, so we're gonna have to look at the higher time frame. Do we tap anything into anything in the daily? No. We do have a daily gap. No, we don't. 4 hour, on the 4 hour, we got a 4 hour inversion. We're looking bullish right now. We look like we are extremely bullish. We look like we are rebalancing this range. We did just come into equilibrium. So I could expect a little bit of a pullback here. This 2 hour, do we have anything on the 2 hour? 2 hour inversion here. Nothing, nothing. So news on this day already came out. Okay, so we're going to go to the 1 hour then. Last thing we need to see in the 1 hour. Nothing we're playing into. We have a 15-minute gap we're playing into right now. We'll let price play into this. Looks like we might play into this gap and respect it. Now, it would be, the reason I'd be wanting to take this, we came in this 30-minute, we're respecting it. We do have this low resistance resting higher, but we are close to this. And what price is respecting right now? This would be a 945 entry. We're targeting low resistance resting above. We're taking it on a 5-minute inversion. Playing into a 15-minute gap, though, is my only question. So, do we want to respect this 15-minute gap? And if we do, I'm fucked. We'll go break even up with this 5-minute. Just make sure this gives a good close. So that gave a terrible RR, but fuck, that gave an absolutely terrible RR. Hold into this 1 hour. Hit C. This is fucking terrible. I want to see a little bit of a pullback. It's out of this 5-minute now. 15 minutes getting respected. That 15 minutes looking like it's going to want to inverse. I need to see a pullback. Honestly, I would take this. We remember we inversed all these gaps. We just got a good pullback into the 30-minute and a 15-minute. We respected those. This 15-minute gave the inversion. I'm honestly wanting to see longs here. I don't mind this entry at all. We'll order. Risk 1%. Oh fuck, did it just give me a bad RR? Oh my god, bro. Holy fuck. We're fucked. Fuck this month, bro. Maybe that's on me for not waiting for a fucking liquidity sweep and going off a 15-minute that gets tapped into, remanipulated. And then what does it do? Just fucking consolidation. Assuming it's going for the sell side. That's annoying as shit, bro. We do one good thing, we get fucked. This month is terrible right now. We gotta jump to the next day. Yeah, we just fucking consolidated and swept those lows. Fuck me, dude. Alright, well, we're not gonna be doing that again, because that's, like I said, what are we just doing there? We're finding a reason to enter. It's not even the fact we're losing, it's literally just like, fuck, am I fucking up my data doing this stupid shit now? We're not going to do that anymore. We're going to wait for like an actual sweep into like a 15-minute and liquidity sweep if we're going to go off a 15-minute, not just a 15-minute alone. What am I trying to predict? Move off market open? Like, what am I doing? Wish I could go back and just delete an entry so I could fucking fix that. So we just inverse this 1 hour here. Looks like we're going to push deeper. In the 4 hour right now, we have nothing to worry about. On the 2 hour as well. We have prominent draws up here. We also have prominent draws here in this 2 hour. If it gives an inversion, I mean, shit. Probably going lower. I have a feeling it's going to sweep out that liquidity sell side before the candle closes. Do we have news coming into the day? PPI. This 1 hour we're playing into like this is just looking extremely bearish. Playing into this 2 hour. Do we have a 15-minute? We have a 30-minute resting above. We're going to wait for price to open up, assuming it's going to go for sell side. Actually, that's not bad at all. So we're going to wait for this candle to close. Interesting. So this 15-minute gave an inversion. We're coming inside of a 30-minute, so that's my real question. Now this, it tells me quite a bit. 2 hour gets respected. Oh, fuck. I left a failure swing low down here. The 1 hour, this 1 hour gap gets inversed. 30 minutes just got respected. Do we have a 15-minute gap? We're going to go off of this 15-minute gap. Because either we want to return up to this buy side, or we want to go sell side now. So we're going to see. Alright, yeah. Just terrible RRs, bro. Fuck. Well, we get a 4-minute inversion right there. What on the 5-minute? Not on the 5-minute. We do have an unfilled 5-minute resting below us. 15-minute looks like it just respected. We're inside of this 15-minute though. Fuck, I'm expecting some chop here. Or not. Fuck me, dude. So that would have been a win. And we would have gotten a fine entry on it. This month of March isn't, or is this April, I mean? I keep saying March. I don't even know, I'm not fucking happy with it. Yeah, April. So far not happy. We're coming into the next day. We'll jump in. Yeah, we ripped higher, so we did want to go higher there. We actually went up for all this buy side. We have the 1 hour resting up here. Fuck, I gotta leave soon. I'm gonna leave with taking fucking L's. We have 1 hour buy side resting right up here. We have some sell side resting below us. Any 1 hour gaps. I think we're going to do one more for the day, and then we'll end it here. And I'll do some more back tests tomorrow because we will not be on the market tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to end it at this one. 2 hour, nothing on the 2 hour. We're coming into this 2 hour gap that got inverse. So the 2 hour got inverse. Right now we're looking more. This 4 hour, we're playing inside of a 4 hour. See how price wants to react off this 4 hour. We got news coming on today. Retail sales, and then no news till 9. So we're kind of consolidating. I want to see some good manipulation of some sort. We're going to go right into the 15-minute. We have a lot of low resistance resting higher. I actually just want to see something like this. We don't sweep that out. We have accumulation. We're manipulating. That's got to sweep that out. There we go. We're manipulating. This gap right here is looking like it's going to get inverse, right? This might lead me to believe that we want to go lower. Ideally, I would like to go higher, but we don't have anything much else resting lower except this 1 hour gap that we might want to respect. We go to the 5 minute. Go to wait. Oh my fucking gosh. Alright, what happened on the 1 hour? 1 hour gets inverse? Fuck. Shit. And we have low resistance resting of, oh no, because this gave manipulation of these highs. So we do have some still low resistance resting above, especially on the 30 minute. But I don't think we want to return to that. I'm going to look for our, if it gives me the opportunity. Jesus, dude. Did we just sweep out some more sell side or what? No. We're not even inside of a gap. We have this 2 hour down here. 30 minute, nothing. 15 minute, nothing. Nothing to react off of. Dude, I'm gonna fucking tweak. Sometimes I hate this shit. Is there a way I can click this without this popping up? Oh, my knuckles. Coming into this 5 minute respecting it, I'm assuming we'll want to continue lower just from trend. Great. Great, no fucking room for an entry. There's no room for an entry here. At this point, we're leaving low resistance. This will be a no trade day. Do we want to sell off? This is fucking terrible, dude. What news? Is this shit always that ass? We'll jump to the 1 hour. We'll jump. We did sell off to this low where I wanted to see us go. Fuck, I'm gonna have to go. Alright, we're gonna end this at that. It's just overall, this month has been terrible. Maybe I should have just called it a day because I ended the last month pretty solid. We'll jump over here with how we ended it. We have, oh boy, 20 wins. We're probably right at break even at this point. 21 wins, 18 losses. We've taken quite a few losses this month. Already 7 trades. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. 1 win, 1 break even. So, I've already taken quite a few trades. I might just call it a month on this because it's just been bad. 7 trades already. It's like, maybe it's just that month for me, and maybe I skip and go into the next month, which I'm thinking about doing. Because already, 15 trades, I was able to get a bad break even, but like, it's just April is really hard for me right now. And we can go into the next month and do ideally a little bit better. Shit, we went on a 3 trade losing streak. We haven't been winning much. So we're going to come back to this, and I'm going to come better than ever tomorrow. So I'm thinking tomorrow, I'll give me some time. I might refinish it, but I'm thinking about, like, if I've already taken 7 trades, maybe give myself 3 more trades and then just call quits because we're already down 3% on this month alone. We're basically back down to break even on the account. 2 more losses than we are. So ideally, we can step this up and get it going better. I mean, if we're going on this much of a losing streak, it just turns about like 1, 2 trades, like 1 loss, 1 win, then another loss, another loss, another loss, and then 1 win, and then another loss. Like, if we can we're only on the 13th, 14th today. If we can get like 2 wins or 3 wins, it can put us back up. But we'll see. Alright, I'm going to get this uploaded as transparency. And tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow's going in. I'm gonna try to get the month of April done, and the next month after that done. And it'll be no trade day for me, so it's really just going over that. And then ideally, if I get up early and I start that first in the morning, I can come into the homework and we can just go over everything else. But yeah, and this month too, with the back testing, broke some of my rules, taking trades towards high resistance, taking trades off just like a 15-minute tap, and out of 50, like if I'm going to take a 15-minute tap, there needs to be a liquidity sweep as well. If I'm going to take off like a 1 hour, that's a little bit better because the 1 hour can tell me something. We're manipulating into the 1 hour. But like sometimes I'll take trades after we manipulate into the 15-minute, like my trade from yesterday. But that's because we've also already swept liquidity. There was also already an idea of where price wanted to go. When we swept liquidity, we open up a 15-minute, we tap into the 15-minute, and price and moves on from there, you know. But alone, like when market opens and we were just coming inside of a 15-minute and 30-minute, and like even the other trade, like there was just so much going on in my conditions where it was just confused, and I should have just not even traded it because it was chop. So I could say we could take 2 losses off from this alone, and we'd have 1 win and 1, 2, 3 losses, and then another break even, 2 break evens. And that wouldn't even be as bad, but it's like it's just breaking my rules. So we're going to end off this month of April tomorrow, going in, making sure we follow all my rules. I think it's a good idea to always come into this and just pay attention to just reading this over and over. High entries, high time frame inversions, work on understand conditions more, detach from outcome, and be excited to learn, fail, journal all entries. Don't be afraid that your logic behind your trade is wrong. You will learn from it over time. Don't be afraid of failure or losses at all. Not a doubt, you will learn. Go into the market reacting, not predicting. Mark out my key levels, indicate the draw on liquidity, and after my key levels are hit, look on higher time frame to see where the best draw on liquidity is resting, and find low resistance draws and avoid high resistance draws. Set my conditions and find the deal well, and figure out how we will get there. MEC BDI continuation. Pairs NQ process need to see a sweep of significant draw on liquidity and sponsor from a fair value gap in the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and a stop hunt manipulation. So my stop loss is high resistance liquidity, and then the inversion on the high time frame 1 to 5 minute. Or C accumulation, generating buy side or sell side liquidity, then manipulation to a 15-minute fair value gap, 30, 40, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour fair value gaps, and sweep of liquidity for a good manipulation. Then see a high time frame inverse fair value gap, 1 to 5 minutes to catch the pre-distribution inversion leg. So it's basically that, and the continuation is a little more discretional. I don't really have an explanation on that. Stop loss, ideally high resistance stop loss at highs and lows. Then take profit unfilled 5 to 15 minute fair value gap. Accumulation is shown highs, lows, data highs, data lows, session drawn liquidity. Low resistance and low resistance. So in risk management, when we get on the express, we'll risk 250. When we're on the evals, we risk like 3 bands or 1 band, depending on what type of eval it is. And that's really it. And my goal is at the end of the year, have up to 50 or more trades put onto this journal from just the live account. So then we'll have 50 trades of express, evals, and funded accounts all into here, and we can have all that data on how I trade on the live market, and ideally have up to 300 trades at the end of the year more on this, on Tradeful, and have all my data on that to go on. But yeah, I will get this uploaded. I gotta go. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you get after it. Peace.